Dreams is not that which you see while sleeping. It is something that does not let you sleep. True dreams are not fantasies we see while asleep, but burning desires that keep us restless. They drive us forward, pushing us to overcome obstacles and fuel our passion. Think about what you desire most. You have to dream before your dreams can come true. Every achievement begins with a dream. It's like planting a seed. Without it, nothing can grow. Your future success depends on the clarity of your vision. So dream big, set a clear goal, and believe that it can become a reality. Excellence is a continuous process and not an accident. Excellence isn't a one-time achievement, it's a habit. It's about improving every day, learning from failures and striving for greatness. Keep making progress and success will follow naturally. If you want to shine like a sun, first burn like a sun. Success demands hard work, perseverance, and sacrifices. Like the sun that burns brightly, you must endure tough times to shine in life. Nothing great even comes easy. Commit to your goals and keep pushing forward. Never stop fighting until you arrive to your destined place. That is the unique you. Life's journey is about finding your unique purpose. Don't stop until you become the best version of yourself. Keep learning, keep growing, and never settle for less than your true potential. Success is when your signature becomes an autograph. Success is not about fame, it's about leaving a legacy. When your efforts inspire others and your name becomes a symbol of greatness, you know you have truly succeeded. Aim for a life that others will remember with respect and admiration. Difficulties in life do not come to destroy you, but to help you realize your hidden potential and power. Let difficulties know that you too are difficult. Challenges are meant to test our limits and bring out the best in us. They force us to step out of our comfort zone and discover strength we didn't know we had. Facing difficulties help us to build resilience and prepare for future obstacles. Problems are common, but attitude makes that difference. Everyone faces problems in life, but how you respond to them determines your success. A positive mindset can turn even the toughest situations into opportunity for growth. Look at the sky, we are not alone. The whole universe is friendly to us and conspires only to give the best to those who dream and work. The universe supports those who believe in their dreams and work hard towards achieving them. Trust that your efforts are never wasted. Your persistence will pay off when the time is right. Difficulties are not barriers, but opportunities for growth. With the right attitude, determination, and hard work, no challenge is unbeatable. Which quote inspired you the most? Let us know in your comments.